In this video, we are going to break down the Bulgarian split squat, one of the best leg exercises out there. And you may be asking yourself, why do the Eastern European countries get all the awesome named exercises? We've got Bulgarian split squats, Romanian deadlifts, Turkish get-ups, Nordic hamstring curls. I guess that's not all really Eastern European either, but you get what I'm saying. Why is that? At Limitless, we're all about helping you to dial in your fitness movement, to get the most out of it, to avoid injury, and hey, really to get as fit as possible. So let's get into the weeds on the Bulgarian split squat, one of my all-time favorite exercises. 3 things to make sure we're really dialed in on the Bulgarian split squat. Number 1, your shin shouldn't really be vertical. Your knee has to move forward to really recruit the quad and the glutes in the right balance. Number 2, if that front foot is too far back towards your rear leg, you're going to see the heel pop up and you're going to feel that stress in the front of your knee, which again, not well balanced. Number 3, the top shoelace part of your shoe is what should be resting on whatever you choose to use, whether that's a bench, a Bosu ball, whatever you're using, just like is shown right here. This is well dialed in. The distance is far enough out to where the knee is translating forward. The slow tempo, the control on the way down, this is good form. Let's look at it from the front. Everyone, I think at this point, knows knees shouldn't really be deviating inward like you see in this. Really try to control and keep that knee tracking over your shoelaces or even a bit outside of them, as you see right here. Really, really good job. As long as that foot stays nice and level on the ground and we don't see the shoe popping up, we're in a good spot. And hey, this guy, you must be doing this pretty well at this point. He must have learned his lessons. That's me, by the way. And you know what? This is a really, really, really good exercise. So many of you have probably tried it. Many of you may not have tried it in this type of way. So give me some feedback in the comments and let me know.